Ready to grow a vegetable garden that practically runs itself? These 12 garden planning secrets will save you time, effort, and frustration and help you grow vegetables so big and healthy they'll make your neighbors jealous. Some are surprising, some are fun, and a few might even make you laugh till you pee. Stick around, because even using a couple of these tips will completely change your garden game. Secret 1: Vertical gardening magic. Let's kick things off with a game changer: vertical gardening. Tomatoes, cucumbers, peas, and beans love to climb. Use trellises, cages, or stakes, and suddenly your garden is like a green skyscraper. Not only does it save space, but your plants will grow stronger, healthier, and you will get bonus bragging rights when people see your vertical jungle. Secret to colorful companion planting. Here is a fun one. Plant flowers and herbs among your vegetables. Marigolds repel pests, basil makes tomatoes taste amazing, and nasturtiums attract pollinators. Your garden suddenly becomes a mix of a salad bar and a flower shop. Bonus: it's basically free landscaping, and the neighbors might even stop by for a snack or a selfie. Secret 3: Secret seeds you should direct sow. Some seeds should never see the inside of a house. Zucchini, corn, and beans are happier planted straight into the soil. Direct sowing avoids weak, leggy seedlings. Think of it like sending your kids straight into the wild for character building. They grow up stronger and sturdier. Secret 4: Planting in odd shapes. Who says gardens have to be boring rows? Plant curves, spirals, or squares within squares. Odd-shaped layouts aren't just fun, they improve sunlight exposure, airflow, and make you look like a professional garden wizard. Plus, you can brag you have the twisty-turny garden and still be highly productive. Secret 5: Mulching for fun and function. Mulch is like a cozy blanket for your plants. Straw, shredded leaves, or wood chips conserve water, prevent weeds, and keep soil temperature steady. But here is the fun part: you can make patterns or use colorful mulch for a little garden flair. It's basically edible art meets landscaping meets life hack. Secret 6: Surprise pollinators. Want to boost your harvest? Attract pollinators. Plant sunflowers, lavender, or borage nearby. Your garden becomes a butterfly paradise, and it's fun to watch the bees buzz around like tiny flying gardeners. It's free labor for your crops, nature's own unpaid interns. Secret 7: Planting by moon phase. Optional. Fun twist: here's a quirky one. Plant by the moon phase. Sow leafy greens during the waxing moon, root vegetables during the waning moon. Whether or not you're a lunar believer, it adds a little mystique to your gardening. Plus, it gives you bragging rights at parties. Oh, this carrot? Moon grown. Secret 8: Group plants by water and nutrient needs. For a practical tip with a twist, group plants by water and nutrient needs. Leafy greens like spinach and lettuce are thirsty, while corn, tomatoes, and squash are nutrient-hungry divas. Keep them together and save yourself the headache, and your plants will thank you by growing happier and healthier. Secret 9: Rotate crops and mix in companions. Rotate crops each year to prevent soil fatigue. And mix in companion plants. Carrots with onions, basil with tomatoes, or beans with corn. It's like matchmaking for your vegetables. The right combos reduce pests, improve growth, and make your garden more successful. Your crops will be basically thriving in harmony, like a veggie version of a boy band. Secret 10: Smart layout for sunlight. Plan your layout according to sunlight and plant height. Put tall plants on the north side so shorter ones don't get shaded. It sounds simple, but if ignored, you'll have a tomato tower stealing the spotlight from your poor lettuce. Sunlight planning equals happy plants equals happy gardener. Secret 11: Record keeping fun. Keep a garden log. Track planting dates, watering, harvest amounts, and pests. You'll be surprised how satisfying it is to see patterns, and it's oddly addictive. It is basically a diary for your veggies, and no judgment if you talk to them while you write. Secret 12: Daily micro tasks for maximum efficiency. Finally, assign each day a key task: watering, pruning, harvesting, or planting. Small, consistent efforts beat exhausting marathon gardening sessions. Think of it as a tiny daily workout for your garden, and the only thing you might lift is a watering can. If you loved these 12 secrets, subscribe for more practical, fun, and occasionally hilarious gardening tips. Comment below with your favorite tip or your funniest gardening fail. You might help someone else avoid a zucchini avalanche. Apply even a few of these strategies this season, and your vegetables will be happier, healthier, and your garden will be the envy of the neighborhood. Rosie, my rescue dog, and I will see you in the garden.